Python pandas trying to reduce reliance on loops. This is a general question on vectorization, but I will use an example to help ask the question. I have a data frame df with df call_1, bool, true/false. In df call_2, I would like to return another true/false based on if the prior 5 rows of column 1, df call_1i6 column i1, contain a match for df call_1i. This is the loop I am using now, but it is one of many, so I think they must be slowing things down as the data gets larger. Output looks like this. How can I do this in pandas with vectorization? Maybe using shift or an offset function.
Here's a simple vectorized solution that should be pretty fast, although there is probably a more elegant way to write it. You can just ignore the first 5 rows or overwrite them to nan if you prefer. If speed really matters, you could do something like the following. It's more than 3x faster than the above and probably about as efficient as you can do here. This is just using the fact that rolling underscore sum will interpret booleans as 0, 1, and you just need to know if the sum is 0 or 5.